कि आपने ये ही ब्रांड क्यों स्टार्ट किया?
I realized that all these brands which come from outside, they have a simple formula. Make very good quality stitched clothing. The content of the fabric is very inferior. It's one of the cheapest fabric you can come across.
Oh.
Why are these brands so famous? Like, why can't we have our Indian? So then I started off, rather than, I was also planning to do masters MBA. तो उसके जगह पे मैंने सोचा यार स्टार्टअप ही शुरू कर देते हैं कि यार ऐसा कुछ करना है कि ना फोर्ब्स 30 अंडर 30 में नाम आ जाए. दैट वंस यू आर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, सेल्फ पिटी निकल जाता है, इंस्टेंटली सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड अप्रोच हो जाता है. व्हेन यू आर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, इवन दिस इज लाइक यार हो जाएगा. 1.5 year ना ही सेल्स हो रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, पैसा और डालना चाहिए, बंद कर देना चाहिए,
या दिखेगा नहीं तो बिकेगा नहीं.
मेरा प्रोडक्ट कितना भी बढ़िया हो, आई हैव टू स्पेंड सम मनी टू टेल इट टू पीपल.
बराबर. हमें आपके ब्रांड के बारे में बताएं कि आपने ये कब स्टार्ट किया और ये ही ब्रांड क्यों स्टार्ट किया इन दिस पर्टिकुलर निश.
I graduated from NIFT as a fashion designer. Then after I got out of college, I started searching for internships, and mostly in the buying segment, like as a buyer. So I did an internship in Bestseller, which is like a parent company for only Veromoda and Jack and Jones. And while I was working, I realized that all these brands which come from outside, they have a simple formula. Make very good quality stitched clothing. The content of the fabric is very inferior. Very inferior. Like आप अगर वो कपड़ा as it is देखोगे ना, तो वो मतलब शायद it's one of the cheapest fabric you can come across. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार how can you, like, why are these brands so famous? Like, why can't we have our Indian, something what Fab India does? Like, I really respect that brand, and because it takes Indian fabrics, it makes good quality of clothes, and it's selling in the stores, and something like
it represents India in a way.
Yeah, it represents India in a way. It's the clothes are meant for Indian audience, and also हम देखे generations को पहनते हुए वैसे type के clothes, and those kind of clothes are even passed on to different generation.
Right.
So it's so, everything about that fabric is so beautiful, and so I thought कि I had certain personal reasons that I didn't leave Bombay. I wanted to go Bangalore and work in a few companies, but I didn't work out. So then I started off, rather than, I was also planning to do masters MBA. तो उसके जगह पे मैंने सोचा यार स्टार्टअप ही शुरू कर देते हैं. So initial few years I was like, when I started, I had this thing in mind कि यार ऐसा कुछ करना है कि ना फोर्ब्स 30 अंडर 30 में नाम आ जाए.
बहुत बड़ा फंडिंग मिला है.
हाँ,
Sequoia से.
यस. सो ऐसा दिमाग में ऐसा सोच के हम चल रहे थे, एंड देन ठीक है वो सब तो साइड हो गया, बट इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस जर्नी. अप्स लोज बहुत सब, बट सोलो फाउंडर थोड़ा जर्नी स्लो रहता है, बट यू फील लाइक I don't know how to put this. वो दुर्गा माँ का रहता है ना, different avatars. So you feel like you have to manage this also, you have to manage this also, you have to manage this also. So one thing that problem solving attitude आ जाता है, and it's nice. मतलब I love the journey.
मैंने हमेशा देखा है, हमेशा स्टार्टअप में co-founders भी होते हैं. Like why you are solopreneur? Like have you thought of in that line कि अरे कोई co-founder होता?
So it's a very funny story. I was one of the most laid back kid in my college. So अगर जैसे कि कॉलेज के 2 years down the line, अगर मैं कोई भी अपने दोस्त को कॉल करके बोलूंगी ना कि यार co-founder बन जा, हम लोग ये करते हैं, nobody would come and join me. क्योंकि मैं इतनी lazy थी. Like in college, I was a very detail oriented perfectionist kind, but I was not executor. मतलब मैं executor नहीं थी, and you don't want to partner with someone who is not an executor. So मतलब I don't even feel bad about that my friends wouldn't be part of this, but then eventually while my journey तो वो आ जाता है. So today I think if I call my friends, they would want to join me.
Right. Yeah, so definitely. I mean, एक co-founder होता तो बहुत सारी responsibility बढ़ जाती है.
Yeah.
And then because they both are equally responsible for overall business.
Yes.
तो चीजें बहुत स्मूथ होना चालू होती है. That's what
yes
my
yes yes
experience is saying. So that's
हाँ
why
but वो
हाँ, that finding the right piece or right person is
is
it's difficult. Is again like finding a
yeah
diamond type of thing.
yeah
But yeah, you should at least you should consider it.
I have considered that
Yeah,
and there was time in the middle when I was looking. There was a very rough patch in like few years of Patra, like 1.5 year. बहुत ही ज़्यादा rough patch था. Very stagnant position. ना ही sales हो रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, पैसा और डालना चाहिए, बंद कर देना चाहिए. And that was a time that probably I thought like I should have a co-founder क्योंकि I right now I'm doing my accounts ये वो business development. I can't do everything alone
right.
but turns out I can.
तो अभी के लिए like कहाँ से सबसे ज़्यादा business आ रहा है and what type of audiences like they are buying this kind of products?
So we are doing very good sales in South.
Okay.
I also feel that people from South are more culturally rooted. They would rather prefer buying a product which comes from their own land and they resonate like kalamkari prints. They're very
हाँ,
famous in South.
right. You were saying South से बहुत अच्छा सेल आ रहा है.
Mhm.
तो what all cities are majorly from South?
So right now we are doing first tier cities only. Bangalore है, Chennai है, but we get quite a few sales from like Tiruvananthapuram, फिर Kochi, Hyderabad also we get.
Right. Yeah, so Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore are new IT hubs also. So a lot
Yeah.
of people are.
IT hubs. I think IT people are our target audience.
Yeah, so basically all the IT people, this is your wardrobe choice. अगर मैं एक IT person हूँ from Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, let's say, what can be a perfect date outfit for the techie like me?
So if you are going to a nice restaurant,
Right.
you can definitely wear our shirts.
Okay.
I think this one would look great for a dinner. Probably this one for the brunch, and also this one. I love this. This is one of my favorite pieces from the collection. This one and this one.
Yeah, we can.
I think it's very rustic and very aesthetic.
How this business is shaping your life in general, like what all learnings that you are learning.
I think one very priceless thing which every entrepreneur का वो बोल सकते हैं कि एक मैजिक हो जाता है उसका लाइफ में इज दैट वंस यू आर एन एंटरप्रेन्योर यू स्टॉप लुकिंग एट थिंग्स लाइक ओ आई एम स्टक हियर ओ मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया वाज दैट स्टार्टिंग का 2
सेल्फ
इयर्स.
पिटी पार्ट निकल
हाँ,
जाता है.
सेल्फ पिटी निकल जाता है.
Correct.
इट्स एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज ऑलवेज अ चैलेंज. सो अगर
And
कुछ
it's our challenge only.
या इट्स आवर चैलेंज तो मतलब इंस्टेंटली सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड अप्रोच हो जाता है.
बराबर है.
लाइक अगर कुछ नहीं हो रहा इट कैन बी एज बेसिक एज कि यार रात के 12 बज गए, प्रिंट आउट वाला दुकान खुला नहीं है, सो कल आई हैव टू गो फॉर अ वीजा ऑफिस, हाउ कैन आई डू इट. सो नॉर्मल के सिनेरियो में शायद आदमी सो जाएगा और बोलेगा कि यार ठीक है मैं फिगर आउट कर लूंगा, बट when you're an entrepreneur even this is like यार हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
and you call 10 different people it happens.
हाँ, किसी के ना किसी घर पे प्रिंटर मिल
जाएगा.
राइट.
मतलब वो आइडिया ऑफ दैट हाँ दिस इज पॉसिबल वो थोड़ा ऑटोमेटिकली इनग्रेन हो जाता है.
ऑलवेज हसलिंग वाला जो माइंडसेट है
Yeah.
वो आ जाता है.
yes
करेक्ट.
yes
ये I was looking at this new designs and I am pretty impressed with the work that you are doing. I would like to know more about these prints कि ये कहाँ से आपने सोर्स किया, प्लस ये थॉट प्रोसेस क्या था इसके पीछे, and like when you are gonna launch it, what will be the price point and everything about your new collection.
so this is our new collection and we are going
We
to
can
launch.
actually fill it, right? I mean,
yeah yes it's going to launch next week. This is our December 25 collection and it's as you can see that most of our prints resonate nature. It'll
Right.
either be animal prints or figuratives like motifs, and a lot of motifs are traditional Indian motifs. We
Right.
don't claim that any of these designs are like our exclusive design, but it's more like we give you a curation of designs which you would love wearing and which are like the shirts. with prints which are culturally rooted and fabric which you would love wearing.
So I just as a business perspective or as a normal person, I would like to learn from you. So always I visit anywhere like any founders, I ask them like what all big mistakes that they did that like no one should do it, or like what all learnings they can share, so I can grow my knowledge, like so the whole purpose is meeting founders and entrepreneurs like you to learn something for myself, not only for the viewers and all, but like yeah.
Okay.
So
So I think for you you come from a marketing background, so probably मेरा तो सबसे बड़ा learning ही ये था कि I come from a business family and I started my own thing. तो मुझे एक restriction बहुत होता था starting के like 3 years में. My whoever my mentors were, of course everyone like my uncles, my dad, they always told me to make an amazing product. वो मैं बचपन से सीखते आ रही हूँ how to make an amazing product. But जहाँ पे सेल्फ डाउट होता था कि यार मार्केटिंग में पैसा खर्चा करो, क्योंकि मार्केटिंग में पैसा डालना इज बर्निंग मनी एटलीस्ट फॉर द इनिशियल इयर्स टिल यू फिगर आउट दैट यू हैव अ बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट. तो वो एक रिस्क ना मेरे मेंटर्स भी मुझे नहीं लेने देते थे और मैं खुद भी बहुत डरती थी उससे कि आई वॉज ऑलवेज लाइक कि अगर मुझे कस्टमर को बढ़िया प्रोडक्ट देना है तो मैं सारा पैसा प्रोडक्ट में डालूंगी. Whereas all these international companies, whoever have come here and sold like make crores of business, what they do is product पे वो लोग बस एक fraction of percentage invest करते हैं. 25% they invest on marketing, 25 or I think 35% they invest on marketing, and everything else like real estate is the most expensive part in all the big fashion major players.
Offline business, yeah.
So for me, I think that was the biggest learning कि sometimes you don't have to listen to your mentors.
Yeah, दिखेगा नहीं तो बिकेगा नहीं.
Exactly.
It's a simple
and with
logic,
all this
right?
competition, मेरा product कितना भी बढ़िया हो, I have to spend some money to tell it to people.
बराबर है.
So that was the biggest learning. But आप marketing background से आ रहे हो तो शायद
हाँ नहीं even ये of course because when the traditional businesses क्या होता था कि वो B2B and word to word of mouth पे चलता था.
Yes.
It took them a years to build that reputation and that place that wherever they are. Okay, but in this fast moving global citizen kind of ecosystem where we want to sell our product very fast, so marketing is the shortcut, I would say. Like you burn some money, you get the attraction, and if your product is good, then you will definitely get the hits or like sales.
Also, one of the very important learnings for me, especially being a newbie in this, because I didn't have a background of family business in this. मेरे पास ना ही network था, ना ही my dad has a lot of network, but none of it was beneficial for me because I am getting into entirely different segment.
Correct.
So I took a short course from IIM Ahmedabad and वो पूरा जो भी मैंने क्रिएटिव कोर्स वो लिया था लाइक क्रिएटिव कल्चरल एंड बिजनेस प्रोग्राम, उस कोर्स में मेरा सबसे बेस्ट लर्निंग था कि यू हैव टू गो आउट देयर, पार्टिसिपेट इन एग्जीबिशंस एंड टेस्ट योर प्रोडक्ट. कि no matter how great you think your product is now, how great your family members think your product is, but at the end of the day people will give you the real feedback.
Correct. They are the real.
Yeah. I started with Kala cotton, organic cotton. The most proud I am about the collection I made was my first collection.
Right.
Malab, more than I am proud of making this collection.
Okay.
So for me that collection was like, wow, it's so sustainable, eco-friendly, everything. But when I tested in the market, when I spoke about it, people loved the story. But वो sell नहीं हो रहा था. Like people are not interested in sustainability story all the time. Like especially when you're a small brand, okay, sustainability as a story sounds great, but people don't want to spend, especially in a market like India. So eventually my learning was कि ठीक है, story works, but story से ज़्यादा benefit works. तो the more and more people only buy your products if they like it.
Right.
If it's not sustainable, it doesn't matter. I'm talking on a larger scale.
Larger scale, right.
You can we still have khadi products because that's something which defines us. We sell, but the percentage of sales we do for khadi is quite less compared
Right.
to the kind of sales we do for these, like, I would say screen printed shirts ज़्यादा बिकता है block print से.
हाँ हाँ एंड इवन
Even though,
एज अ कस्टमर
हाँ,
हमारे वार्डरोब में भी ऐसे मतलब so we have multi types of clothes, right? So
yeah,
khadi can be one or two, linen can be one or two,
yes,
and those kind of prints are one or two.
yeah,
And then we have a regular wear as well, like formals and the regular denims के साथ जो t-shirt pair करते हैं वो.
yeah,
So yeah, so portion of that fashion in our wardrobe is also limited, right? I mean, in that way.
yeah, yeah. So,
So
I mean, there is a market for everything, but when it comes to like expensive niche products, most of the people go after brands. Like someone who's buying a linen shirt or something like that, that person would rather prefer buying it from a branded place. Either it's like too exclusive or it's like very local.
right.
So, yeah.
So local can be if he or she knows about that product very well, then only a
Yeah.
very good local solution can work.
Price or the
हाँ,
product value.
right.
अगर
Otherwise, most of the people like me even also will go to a branded name only, like brand name only in that particular niche.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is true.
मतलब आप लिनन सोच रहे हो तो सबसे पहले लाइक शायद मार्क्स एंड स्पेंसर या
Yeah.
I don't know the menswear brand who are like doing majorly in linen, but Marks and Spencer always has like variety of linens in their, मतलब हमेशा वो आपको स्टोर पे मिलेगा ही.